To you, designers and engineers, captains of industry, and leaders of thought, anyone whose ambitions have ever exceeded what was possible. This is your moment, your rewrite history, the world is not flat moment. Every facet of how you design and manufacture is about to be reinvented, and it all starts here. With the smallest of building blocks, the mighty HP Voxel. You and it are about to change the world by advancing radical prototyping, accelerating manufacturing, and taking precision and strength to unheard of heights. From today forward, the 3D printer is a factory for thought, where the things we make will make us smarter, better, more human. What a future we'll create with new materials and embedded intelligence. Together, we'll bring extraordinary to the everyday and reality to dreams light years away. Welcome to the age of digital production, on demand, a world without waste, without inventory, without warehouses. Meet the first HP Jet Fusion 3D printers, the digital furnaces of the next industrial revolution. Join us as we engineer the never-before Voxel by Voxel. HP Multi-Jet Fusion. Keep reinventing.